G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've just got my hands on a fresh pair of shoes, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing and show what they look like. So they are from Country Road, which is a brand in Australia, and these shoes are Suede. They're called Bexley's and the colour is chocolate. So let me show you these. Suede chocolate. What do you guys think? And I like these when I tried them on because they were comfortable, they weren't too heavy, and yeah, they looked good, and they looked like they'd be quite versatile. Like I can wear them to work, I can wear them out on a night out, or just out and about and look nice and sharp and smart. So I'll put them on and show you what they look like. Alright guys, so those are the shoes. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, winter style. If you can't find them at Country Road, I'm sure they do the same style at many other stores. I'll put a link in the description. Anyway, that'll be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you